To start creating the Angular project, let's first install Angular CLI. Just type the command npm install -g Angular CLI. -g means that we will be installing it globally. Let's verify it by checking the version. We see that currently we have the version 12 of Angular. Now let's create the Angular project. We can use the command ng-new and the name of our app. We will be adding routing to our app. And let's skip the default style sheet format. The project is now created. Let's navigate inside the project folder and open up Visual Studio Code. Node Modules contains all the dependencies or the packages needed for our app. App folder is where all the components needed for our app will be maintained. Components are basically the building blocks of an Angular project. We can add styles specifically for each individual component, but if we need to add the styling at global level for all the components, we can add it in styles.css file. Index.html is the final HTML file that gets rendered. Observe that it has a custom tag called AppRoot. The definition of this custom tag, also called selector, is available in the app component file. This is basically the root component or the main component of our Angular project. We can see the contents of our root component in the app component HTML file. Let's simply run the project and check how it looks. We can type the command ngserve --open. This opens up the project in our default browser. The default template that you currently see on the screen comes from app component. Let's delete everything and just write a heading tag. Before this, let's add Bootstrap for our application. The style sheet reference can be added in the head section. And the bundle reference can be added near the closing body tag. Now let's add the heading with some Bootstrap styling. Upon saving the file, the Angular CLI automatically compiles the code and refreshes the browser.